the flower of respect. Lily loved to play in the garden with her best friend, Nana Rose. Lily would chase the butterflies, and Nana Rose would whisper secrets to the flowers to help them grow. One sunny afternoon, Lily tried to build a tower of blocks as tall as a sunflower. But every time she placed the last block, the whole tower would wobble and crash. "Oh, fiddlesticks," she sighed. Nana Rose saw Lily's little frown. She came and sat beside her on the soft grass. "What's the trouble, my little sprout?" she asked in her warm, kind voice. "My tower keeps falling down," Lily explained. Nana Rose didn't try to fix it. She just listened carefully while Lily talked. Listening to someone older and wiser is a way of showing kindness. It's like handing them a beautiful, invisible flower of respect. When Lily was finished, Nana Rose said, "A tall tower needs a strong, wide bottom, just like a big tree needs strong roots." Her wise words were like a lighthouse, showing Lily a safe way to build. "Oh, I'll try that," Lily said politely. She remembered that good manners are a sign of a kind heart. She carefully chose the biggest blocks for the bottom of her new tower. One block on top of another, the tower grew up, up, up. It was tall and strong and didn't wobble one bit. It was the best tower Lily had ever built. Lily was so happy. She ran to the rose bush, picked the prettiest pink flower, and gave it to her grandmother. "Thank you for your help, Nana Rose." Nana Rose gave Lily a big hug. "Thank you for this lovely flower," she said. "And thank you for the flower of respect you gave me when you listened with your kind heart." Lily learned that a little respect goes a long way. It makes relationships sweeter and helps love grow, just like the beautiful flowers in Nana Rose's garden.